Ominous music. Oh yeah. Yeah, we know what's coming. Unpredictable. I'm playing the music for it. Oh my god. Yeah. We got this huge thing. This is the biggest and smallest model kit I will have ever built so far. Because when it's done, it's like practically 3 feet long. Which is actually a wee bit longer, and it has a longer dimension than that gigantic 1/20th scale Valkyrie, but it's 1/350th scale. I'm building 1/8, I've built 1/10, 1/14th, 1/16th, 1/20th, 1/35th, 1/48th, 1/60th, 1/100, but never 1/144th, 1/350th. Oh my god. This thing is cool. I'm a big Star Trek fan. Primarily the first 6 movies. The Next Generation movies, some of them have good entertainment value. And then obviously we have the JJ thing. I don't know. They're fun movies, I guess, sort of, but I digress. Let's not get into one of those Star Trek fandom toxicness pissing matches. Let's unbox this massive thing. And right off the bat, oh yeah, this is Chinesium. So it's not a Tamiya, or it is not. Yeah, it's not a Bandai. This is reminding me of my Max Factory Plamax Valkyrie a little bit now. Little boogery here and there. Very shiny. Kinda. Look, this is going to be an amazing model kit. And to the people that have built this, that I've seen your work, like TrekWorks and some of the other people, beautiful when it's done. It just takes a lot of work. So yeah, so we've got a nacelle. It's like 2 halves. It's I mean, there's a lot of parts and bits that go with it, I'm sure, but it's I'll put you. My God. Okay, this is easily the biggest like single part I have ever seen in my entire life for a model kit. This is immense, and it's a little flashy. I'm not talking flashy like fancy. I'm talking like there's flash, and there's more flash, and there's mold boogers. The mold itself. It's pretty lovely. It's very glossy. I've never gotten a model kit. Well, yeah, I guess the Valkyrie we built here a while back is as glossy, and like this thing. Like, I don't know. My God, you use this as a manhole cover. Okay, big. Okay, so a lot of these bits have fallen off of the flash-covered sprue. This is what I'm used to with like Max Factory. This is there's a difference between model kits molded in Japan and model kits molded in China that aren't molded to, let's say, Japanese standards. Like, there's some very good model companies that come out of China. There's Meng makes some very nice things. This is what I'm curious about. Here's the base. Anyone watching this, I don't know. You're going to watch this because you've already built it, and you want to see me screw it up, and then... Okay, so here's the rod that holds it up. This rod we have to replace. We will need to get... Oh my God... The packaging too. Sometimes, I mean, you can tell. You know what? Packaging. I just unboxed. Well, not in the video. I probably should have done a video. My wife just finally broke down and she got an Apple Watch because we live in the suburbs, and my wife, the Karen in training, needed an Apple Watch so that she could read her text messages while she's walking the dogs without taking her phone out. I don't know. I'm making fun of my wife a little there, but yeah. She was always like, Apple Watch is stupid. And I'm like, yes, I agree. Charging a watch every night doesn't seem like a good idea. Let's see what we got here. 0.373 inches. Oh, 0 out. 0 millimeters. 9.48, 9.5 millimeters. I gotta order a hollow tube. You'll see why. Again, most of the people will probably know. We got a whole bunch of random, just flopping around in the bag clear parts. Like, it's, you know, this box came without a lick of damage. I got this from Hobby Link with a C, Hilnc. They're actually local here in Georgia. They're probably about an hour north of where I live, in Atlanta-ish. They're up in the what used to be the boonies, but is now getting overrun with hipsters and microbreweries. Oh boy, yeah, I feel bad for them. A lot of clear bits. Part of the secondary hull. More secondary hull. Okay. Yeah, okay. The nacelle pylons and the neck. I forget what we call the neck. Just the neck? No, not the neck. I don't know. You guys know. And then we got a whole bunch of other little bits and pieces. We got the shuttle bay here. We're gonna be doing some fancy stuff with that. Is this it? This is the instructions? Come on. Come on, Polar Lights. This is sad. Did you guys ever actually buy a real model kit that came with good instructions? Oh, you have got to be kidding me. I mean, this isn't the most complex model kit in the universe, but dear. Oh, thank God for the YouTube videos from quality builders out there. We got some decals, strongbacks, and all the normal marking decals. Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah. Well, here we go. For size, jeez, we got these things. 5 giant sheets of more marking and all the Aztecing to get that cool, awesome effect. You could either do this by masking and doing a lot of painting, but I think you might be a serial killer if you... No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Dedicated hardcore modelers will paint all of the Aztecing on. The less hardcore, yet still hates our own selves modelers will do the water slides. Oh my God, it's huge. And then just to be sure that my family will never see me again once I start building this, we got a whole bunch of goodies from HDA Model Works here. Okay, we've got the Paragraphics photo etch sets. This is some beautiful photo etch. I've gotten photo etch for Tamiya tanks for years, and this is gorgeous photo etch. I've seen bad photo etch and good photo etch, and this, my friends, is very good photo etch. Yeah, I don't know where they... Made in the U.S. of A. Way to go, Paragraphics. America, oh yeah. There we go. HDA Model Works, we got these custom decals for the rec deck, the arboretum, cargo storage in the shuttle bay area, something else here. Very nice. We've got some shrubs, light green, for the arboretum. We're going to make some fake trees. And we've got some green grass, so we're going to put down some nice... No one's even going to look in this thing unless I tell them to look. And then we've got this huge Tena Controls BT1701RR Bluetooth control board. Yeah, Bluetooth, baby. Yes, the Enterprise is going to be fully remote controlled from a smartphone app. I'm not going to unpack every bit of the Tena Controls stuff. But, whoa. That is one impressive little board right there. You know, I'm going to hook this thing to a set of full meal deal powered bookshelf speakers because it does have an audio out jack. This is bonkers, everybody. This thing's going to be more lit than my buddy at a special bake sale. This is wow. Can you tell I'm at all intimidated by this? The instructions from Tena Controls, it's like legit wiring diagrams. Like, yeah, takes a while to read. I suggest having a printed copy as well. I got some extra switches to go in the base. Got a little power brick from HDA Model Works to power this sucker. We got a photo etch folder made out of photo etch. sort of interesting. Where do they make Paragraphics? So yeah, made in the USA, I guess. Or is it not? Oh, made in the USA. Yeah, Paragraphics. You're 2 for 2. This, a lot of the builders use this stuff. So I got this. That was the first time I ever bought canopy glue in my life. And it is a liquid glue. And I ordered thrice from Amazon, and all 3 times I got solidified, dried up, snot in a bottle. That was no good. So I had to go pick this up in person at Hobby Lobby. I don't even know what I have here. I have something. What did I get? Oh, these are the Shuttle Bay paint masks from HDA Model Works. Sweet. I forgot about those. We got more stuff from HDA Model Works. What's this? I just kind of ordered everything they had. I don't know. I never built an Enterprise before. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me just order everything. So we ordered. Oh, we got some. Are these? Shuttle Bay decals, extra accent lines, because basically what HDA said without saying it was you're gonna F up these decals and you're gonna need some extras, and we've got those. Those are sweet. All right, and then we've got window and clear parts paint masks. This is a level of insanity I never thought I would end up doing in my modeling life. Can you even make out how tiny? Is that showing up on camera? Yeah, barely. Yeah, this is the mask off every little thing, line, and window on the whole thing. Holy boy! What did I get myself into? This is insane. Here's our little power brick AC adapter pluggy thingy. Oh my OMFG. Yeah, little cray cray. This is for one model. I mean, we've spent the GDP of a small third world country here on extras. Okay, the extras for this kit. All right, just this stuff right here. About 5 to 6 times the actual cost of the kit. The kit was like $90 from Hobby Link. This, yeah, like 5, 6 times. Yeah, give or take. Somewhere between 5 and 6 times as much. Maybe 5 times as much. I don't know. I didn't do the math. I don't like to keep track of those things because the numbers would just depress me. That's it. So, I did open this. I looked at these. Such gigantic. Just gigantic blue sheets of you're never seeing your family again. Water slides. I've put on some big water slides, but nothing this big. And nothing that covered the entire model. It's like we're wrapping the whole thing in water slides. I've heard these are pretty decent quality, better than some of the older ones that were included in the kits. They better be better quality. I think these are made in England. International Hobbycraft, Bristol, England, Indiana, conforms, safety, product and packaging, designed in the USA, made in China. I don't love Chinese water slides. I hope these are good. China can make good quality, you just have to pay them extra, and that's not why people go to China to do things. So yeah, there we go. The 3/50th scale Polar Lights Star Trek USS Enterprise kit. I'm looking forward to it. I don't know if you're looking forward to it. I'm also dreading it. But either way, we'll have some fun with it. I don't know if my workbench... This is sort of an unprecedented... I might have to clear off the bed of my pickup truck on its tonneau cover as a staging area like I did for that big Valkyrie that we built. That thing's living on a side table in my office at work because there's nowhere to put it in the house. It's just too big to display anywhere. At least in the living quarters. And if there was room, I don't think I'd be allowed to. No, honey. No giant toys in the house. So that's what we get. Either way, that's the unboxing of that thing. Now I've got to rebox it because I'm not building it tonight. I've got other stuff in the works. We've got our King Tiger tank we got to finish. And we have so many... Oh my god, I look at the pile of backlog on top of my truck. It's unbelievable the amount of backlog. Well, one of these days, I hope I finish them all before I'm dead. That's my goal. There's a lot of people who don't, and that's how I buy some things, because they drop dead and they had a pile of model kits they never finished building. But we give those away sometimes because I buy them at estate sales. That's it. All right. You know, everyone, we're signing off. See you next time.